Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to deposit ERC-20 Tether in the FXTM broker. In the My Money section, click on Deposit Funds. In this part, select the desired account. Register the desired currency along with the amount. We registered $30. And in this section, you select the desired network, where in the Tether USDT section, we click on Deposit. In the Deposit section, you select the desired ERC-20 Tether network and click on Confirm. You will see information about your deposit and click on Submit. In the next step, scan the specified barcode with your wallet, and if you wish, you can manually enter the specified address yourself. And friends, to check your transaction history, click on My Finance, and then click on Transaction History. In this section, you will see that the transaction was completed successfully. Good luck.